Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to turn failure into success. We've all faced setbacks and felt that sting of disappointment, but failure is an essential ingredient for growth. Let's dive into practical strategies to turn setbacks into stepping stones. Alright, let's get real for a second. We all face setbacks, and it's easy to fall into the trap of blaming others. When you experience a setback, do you start pointing fingers? It's a common reaction, but it's not helpful. Blaming your boss, your partner, the economy. These are just ways to avoid facing the real issue. It's human nature to deflect responsibility. We think it protects us, but it actually does the opposite. Blame is a trap. It keeps you stuck in a cycle of negativity and helplessness. It keeps you stuck in victim mode and prevents you from learning from your mistakes. Reflecting on your actions is the first step to growth. When you blame others, you give away your power, saying, "I'm not in control of my own life." This mindset is disempowering, but you have the power to choose a different path. You can decide to take control and change your approach. Take ownership of your failures, acknowledge your role, and extract valuable lessons. This is how you turn setbacks into stepping stones. It takes courage to admit your mistakes, but the rewards are worth it. You'll find a sense of empowerment and clarity. When you take ownership, you empower yourself to make different choices next time. This is the essence of personal growth. So, how do you break free from the blame game? It starts with awareness. Being mindful of your thoughts and actions is crucial. The next time you catch yourself blaming someone or something else, pause. Take a moment to reflect before reacting. Ask yourself, what role did I play in this situation? This question can open up new perspectives and insights. Maybe you procrastinated on a project and missed a deadline. Recognizing this is the first step to improvement. Or perhaps you didn't speak up when you had the chance and missed an opportunity. Own it. Acknowledge your part in the outcome. Don't beat yourself up, just acknowledge your part. Self-compassion is key to moving forward. Taking ownership isn't about dwelling in guilt or shame, it's about understanding your actions and their impact. It's about taking responsibility for your actions so you can learn, grow, and move forward. Each step you take in this direction builds resilience. Remember, you have the power to change your narrative. Your story is yours to write. Embrace it and move forward with greater clarity and purpose. The journey of self-improvement is ongoing, but every step counts. Let's talk about something often overlooked, your physical and mental health. In our busy lives, we often forget that our well-being is the cornerstone of everything we do. You can't build a strong life on burnout and exhaustion. When you're constantly drained, every task feels like a mountain to climb. Think of your body and mind as the engine that drives your success. Just like a car needs fuel and maintenance, so do you. If you're constantly running on fumes, you're not going to have the energy or focus to overcome challenges. Your productivity and creativity will suffer. So, how do you prioritize your health? It starts with the basics. Move your body. Physical activity is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Exercise releases endorphins, reduces stress, improves sleep, and boosts your mood. It's a natural way to enhance your overall well-being. Even just 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days can make a difference. It's about consistency, not perfection. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or walking. The key is to make it fun, so it becomes a regular part of your routine. Next, fuel your body with nourishing foods. What you eat directly impacts how you feel and perform. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. And don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for every bodily function. Staying hydrated helps maintain your energy levels and keeps your mind sharp. Now let's talk about your mental health. It's just as important as your physical health, if not more so. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to forget to take care of our mental well-being. Stress and anxiety can build up, leading to burnout. Neglecting your mental health is like driving a car with a flat tire. You won't get very far and you'll damage yourself in the process. So what can you do to prioritize your mental health? Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools. They help you stay grounded and present. Meditation can help rewire your brain for greater happiness, resilience, and focus. It's a practice that pays off in the long run. And the best part is, it doesn't require any special equipment or training. You can start with just a few minutes a day. You can meditate anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in a park, or even at your desk, A few moments of mindfulness can make a big difference. Simply find a quiet spot, close your eyes and focus on your breath. Let go of distractions and be present in the moment. Remember, taking care of your physical and mental health isn't selfish. It's essential for living a fulfilling life. It's an investment in your success. When you prioritize your well-being, you're setting yourself up for long-term achievement. When you feel your best, you're better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. You'll have the resilience and strength to overcome obstacles. So make your health a priority. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built. Move your body, eat nourishing foods, stay hydrated, and practice mindfulness. These simple habits can transform your life. Your future self will thank you. The effort you put in today will pay off tomorrow. Embrace a holistic approach to success. It's not just about working hard. It's about working smart and taking care of yourself. Your body and mind are your greatest assets. Treat them with the care and respect they deserve. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Invest in your health, and you'll reap the rewards in every aspect of your life. Chapter 3: The Gift of Failure. Let's talk about reframing failure. It's a concept that many of us struggle with, but it's crucial for personal growth and success. Most of us try to avoid failure at all costs. We see it as a roadblock, something that stops us in our tracks. We see it as a sign of weakness, something to be ashamed of. This perception can be paralyzing, preventing us from taking risks and trying new things. But what if I told you that failure is actually a gift? A gift that can lead to profound insights and breakthroughs. Every successful person from Oprah to Elon Musk has experienced massive failures. These failures were not the end of their journeys, but rather pivotal moments that shaped their paths. Their failures often played a pivotal role in their success. They didn't let these setbacks define them. Instead, they used them as stepping stones. They taught them valuable lessons, forced them to adapt, and made them stronger. Each failure was a lesson in disguise, a chance to grow and improve. So how can you start to see failure as a gift? It begins with changing your perspective and embracing a new way of thinking. It starts with a shift in mindset. Instead of dreading failure, welcome it as an opportunity to learn and evolve. Instead of viewing failure as the opposite of success, see it as a stepping stone. Each failure brings you one step closer to your goals. Every time you fail, you're gathering data about what works and what doesn't. This information is invaluable for your growth. Approach failure with curiosity rather than judgment. Be inquisitive about what went wrong and how you can improve. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? What can I do differently next time? These questions will guide you towards better outcomes. When you approach failure with a growth mindset, you transform it into a valuable learning opportunity. It becomes a catalyst for innovation and creativity. So the next time you experience a setback, don't despair. Remember that every failure is a chance to start anew with more wisdom. Embrace the opportunity to learn and grow. Seek guidance from mentors and peers who can offer new perspectives. Remember, failure is not the enemy. It's a necessary part of the journey towards success. It's a teacher, a guide, a stepping stone on the path to success. Embrace it, learn from it, and let it propel you forward. Chapter 4: Get smart about your goals. Let's talk about setting yourself up for success. Sometimes we set ourselves up for failure without realizing it. We have vague ideas of what we want to achieve but no clear plan. That's where SMART goals come in. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific: get crystal clear about what you want to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to be more successful, get specific. What does success look like to you? Measurable: you need a way to track your progress. How will you measure your success? Achievable: make sure your goals are actually achievable. There's nothing more discouraging than setting your sights too high and feeling like a failure. Relevant: your goals should be aligned with your values and overall life vision. Time-bound: give yourself a deadline. When do you want to achieve this goal? Use the SMART goal framework. Embrace it and watch as you start setting and achieving goals like never before. Chapter 5: Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Growth rarely happens within your comfort zone. Your comfort zone is like a cozy bubble, but it's also limiting. It keeps you stuck and prevents you from trying new things. You need to be willing to step outside of it to achieve great things. The magic happens outside of your comfort zone. That's where growth, learning, and breakthroughs occur. Start by identifying what makes you uncomfortable. What are you afraid of? What have you been putting off? Face your fears, one small step at a time. You don't need to go from 0 to 60 in seconds. Start small and gradually work your way up to bigger challenges. The goal is not to eliminate fear altogether. Fear is a natural human emotion, but don't let it control your life. Embrace fear as an opportunity for growth. Take that first step outside of your comfort zone. You'll be amazed at what you're capable of achieving. Growth happens when you're willing to get a little uncomfortable. Embrace the discomfort and watch yourself grow. Outright embrace the journey. So there you have it, my friends. 5 powerful strategies to help you turn failure into success. Remember, failure is not the enemy. It's a teacher, a guide, a stepping stone on the path to achieving your dreams. Now I want to hear from you. What's one failure you've experienced that taught you a valuable lesson? Share your story in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Our channel offers content on personal development, self-improvement, and achieving your goals. You've got this.